FIREBAT MINIPC AMD R7-7735HS Mini PC Colorful Gamer. High-speed data transfer with M2 interface. Experience lightning-fast data transfer speeds with the M2 interface, perfect for multitasking and gaming. Colorful and vibrant gaming experience. The colorful design of the FIREBAT MINIPC AMD R7-7735HS Mini PC creates a vibrant and immersive gaming experience. High memory capacity with 16 GB of memory. This mini PC can handle heavy workloads and multitasking with ease. Fast CPU speed. The AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor runs at 3.2 GHz, making it a powerful and efficient choice for gaming and streaming. Large hard drive capacity. The 512 GB hard drive provides ample storage space for all your files, games, and media. Colorful gaming experience. The colorful RPG integrated graphics card delivers a vivid and immersive gaming experience. High memory capacity with 16 GB of memory. This mini PC can handle heavy workloads and multitasking with ease. Colorful gaming experience. The integrated AMD Radeon RX 56 graphics card provides a colorful and immersive gaming experience. Fast processor speed. The 3.2 GHz processor speed ensures quick and efficient performance for all tasks. Enjoy seamless gaming and smooth multitasking with the powerful AMD R7-7735HS processor. The mini computer has stable and reliable performance, reduced latency, powerful loading and processing power for a smoother experience.